Have arts and crafts fun over and over again with Funny Mats. These reusable coloring mats and activity books let kids color, wash, and repeat. If you want to see more fun arts and crafts toys, then be sure to subscribe to our channel. Funny Mats come in a variety of designs, such as Deep Sea, Jurassic Period, North Pole, and Space. Which design is your favorite? Tell me in the comments. Some of the mats are to be used with washable markers, while others are for chalk. The markers and chalk are not included. Kids ages 3 and up will have fun using either markers or chalk to create a different scene every time they play. The activity books do come with markers secured inside a zippered pouch for take-along fun. The Which Way to Go activity book provides a series of mazes, as well as blank pages for kids to draw on. The mini Funny Mat set provides a variety of different coloring pages. With both of these books, when kids are done drawing, they simply wash the page and draw again. These books keep kids busy on long car rides, waiting at the doctor's office, or sitting in a restaurant. The pros are the reusability, the variety of designs, kids can color their pictures differently each time, they easily wipe clean with a wet tissue or cloth, and these keep kids busy at home or on the go. The only cons are that the mats don't come with art supplies, but I still give these 4.5 stars. For more fun toy videos, follow us on TikTok at The Toy Authority.